Hey guys, what's up? Today we are doing a challenge. I have a little Lego gun. See that? See that? And Isaiah has a water gun. We already started it, but we need to start. What is my gun, little boy? Huh? Why? Why? Say, I'll put some in it. I'll put some bullets in your head. I'll put some bullets in your head. No. Okay, Zay, I'll put some inside your gun, and then I'll put some inside my gun. Okay, Zay, just give me my gun. I'm going to put some inside both of ours. Okay, people, I'm going to do this for my little brother. Give it here. We have little water guns. Just shut up and make it. My video's still running right now. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Because if you stop my video, I'm gonna be mad, bro. Mama. Oh, snap, Jay. I think that's cracking. Does it? Make it crack. Okay, Zay. Mine's filled. Now give yours here. Yeah, but did you touch something? Oh no. I was gonna be mad, Zay.
I think you little mad at me. Mama, my reactions.
Zay, you're my brother, bro.
I'm your brother.
Oh, Zay, snap.
Mama, my jacket.
Okay, Zay, first we need to drain it before we even put water in it, because but that water's old. Let me see, Zay. I'm feeling it. So let me see, Zay. Yeah. So let's do it. So we're about to do a water gun fight, Zay. Okay, Zay. So we're about to do a water gun fight. So let me just get this thing. Let me get it. Yeah. I gotta record this, Zay. I have to record this for my fans. I'm doing it for the fans. Okay, Zay, let's do it. Zay, come get in the camera. I'm about to get you. No. I'm about to make you no house. Not right now. Well, just not right now. I'm about to make you a house right now. And then we are not playing GTA. We are making a video. Shoot, my cam. Kids, they see that? We're on camera. Yeah! Get shot in the face, boy! Okay. Yeah, guys. This is my backyard. Oh, this is nice! Chase! Get back! Back up! Right down! Oh, my! fall down like boop, boop, boop. Now pick up your gun and shoot, little boy. Pick up your gun and shoot. Get a shower, little boy. Hey, get up and shoot me, little boy. Okay, guys, my little brother is crybaby. Yeah, he is. We're gonna be back almost 20 minutes. Maybe. Right? Aim. Is it the more you pump it, the more, farther it gets.
I don't want to.
I said just pump it, or else it's gonna get farther. Shoot. See? Right up in the face. Right up in the face. Okay, then I'm gonna shoot myself. Oh wait. I'm gonna shoot myself. Hello. Oh. Wait. See these abs. Okay, just take your shirt off, man. Here. I know that. Look what you did to me. Parkour. Oh! Yeah? Guys, yeah. I'm not sure if you see much of them. Peace out, guys. I'll do something, and I'll be back to you later on in the next video. Peace out.